Arrow fletching jigs, how much should you really spend? The cheap ones look almost identical to the expensive ones, but is there actually a difference when it comes to accuracy and consistency? Honestly, that's what I wanted to figure out before wasting money on something that looks good but doesn't perform. Product number 1, MSJUMPPR Adjustable Jig. First up, the MSJUMPPR Adjustable Fletching Jig at $36.92. This red, compact tool caught my eye because it supports both straight and helical fletching with preset dial stops, something you don't always get at this price. The 5.4-inch height and built-in scale make it easy to use, and the magnetic clamps hold fletches securely while gluing. Here's why this matters for you. If you're building arrows at home and want repeatable results without buying multiple tools, this gives you both straight and helical options in one. Over 200 people bought it last month, which says something about its popularity among DIY archers. Now some people might complain about the plastic parts feeling a bit lightweight, and yeah, it's not machined aluminum like the high-end models. But for casual shooters or beginners, that's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into arrow building and want an affordable, all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you're doing competition-level work where every thousandth of an inch counts. For under $40, it's solid value. Product number 2, ZZHANE Fletching Jig. Next is the ZZHANE Archery Fletching Jig, priced at $36.28, just slightly cheaper than the MSJUMPPR. What stands out here is the dual clamp system, one straight, one helical, both magnetic and adjustable. It fits shafts of most sizes and handles fletches from 2 to 5 inches, which is great if you're mixing feather and plastic vanes. The base has screw holes so you can mount it to a workbench, adding stability during precision work. Here's why this matters. If you're repairing arrows or building custom sets and need flexibility in fletch size and type, this jig adapts easily. Over 100 buyers in the past month suggest it's a reliable mid-tier option. That said, a few users mention the instructions are vague, especially for setting helical angles, so you might need to experiment a bit. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the results are consistent. This is perfect for you if you want bench mount stability and don't mind a small learning curve. Skip this one if you need ultra-fine micro adjustments or plan to fletch dozens of arrows daily. For the price, it's a smart pick. Product number 3, October Mountain Phoenix Jig. Now we jump to the October Mountain Phoenix Fletching Jig at $205.44, a serious jump in price. But here's what you get: machined aluminum construction, superior micro-adjustability, and 1-degree increment offsets from -5 to +5 degrees. Here's why this matters. If you're building tournament arrows or need maximum consistency across dozens of shafts, this level of precision ensures every arrow flies identically. Only 50 sold last month, but that's expected at this tier. The downside, it's overkill for casual use, and honestly, the price will scare off hobbyists. But if you're serious about archery, this investment pays off in arrow performance. This is perfect for you if you compete or build arrows professionally. Skip this one if you're just target shooting on weekends. It's expensive, but for elite results, it's worth every penny. Product number 4, MSJUMPPR Red Fletch Kit. Back to MSJUMPPR with their Red Fletching Jig Kit at $33.74, basically a sibling to the first one, but slightly cheaper and with a focus on portability. At just 5.4 inches tall and 1.2 pounds, it's easy to toss in a backpack or toolbox. It includes 2 quickset magnetic clamps, one straight, one right helical, and supports up to 5-inch fletches. Here's why this matters. If you're building arrows in the field or at a range, having a compact, no-fuss tool saves time and space. It's not the sturdiest, but for on-the-go repairs or quick DIY sessions, it gets the job done. Some users say the clamps can slip if not positioned perfectly, so you've got to be careful during setup. Here's the thing, for under $35, you're not getting lab-grade precision, but you are getting reliable function. This is perfect for you if you need a travel-friendly jig for occasional use. Skip this one if you're doing batch builds or need left helical options. Great value for light-duty work. Product number 5, ACI Bitzenberger Jig. Finally, the ACI Bitzenberger jig at $140.58, a legendary name in archery. This all-metal die-cast alloy jig features a self-centering shaft cradle, large adjustment dials, and supports 3x 120 degrees, 4x 90 degrees, and 4x 75x 105 degrees fletch patterns. It's used by serious hunters and target archers alike. The only real flaw, it only comes with a right helical clamp, no left option unless you buy it separately. That could be a deal breaker if you prefer left helix arrows for wind drift. But for most users, right helical is standard. This is perfect for you if you want durable, accurate fletching without going full competition mode. Skip this one if you need left helical or are on a tight budget. At $140, it's a serious upgrade with real long-term value. So which fletching jig is best? If you're just starting out, the MSJUMPPR kits offer solid value under $40. The ZZHANE adds bench stability for a similar price. Step up to the Bitzenberger for pro-level precision at $140 or go all in with the October Mountain Phoenix if you're building competition arrows. Price doesn't always mean better, it's about matching the tool to your needs. Let me know in the comments which one you're picking.